Hello and welcome to Mzansi's Funniest Videos. This is your host Davis Mohomo. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I will appreciate that a lot. Please enjoy.
Is this the time to get back?
Yes.
Hello, is this the time to get
Leave
back?
me alone.
How did
I don't
you
know
even
who
get
you are.
here? George brought your car back. How did you get here?
Leave me
your
alone,
wife.
lady. I'm sure you're very beautiful, but I have a wife at home and I need to go home. I need to go sleep. Leave me alone.
Boys.
Sorry, two. It's my two.
Fly something. Motwaka. Sorry, Mutomo.
Kantile izinto zenza unyathisa ngabafana
Tsefi,
engangishisa ngako nengishitela emaphasejini
wena uyaka ilitsatsi lifisa ka di-bucket hat.
ngisho bona ukulanda
Uyamshika
Bashimane ba ko main road ba botsidisa roof wena o ka di-bucket hat. O ya kae?
ngisho ngifuna nyapajeta ngitshele
O budget ka eng?
Baqile sisi mus.
Really?
jo mara at least angivayi ngamahle bona jo ngigcoke namakhanti ngisabani jo ngigcoke namateki
Di-vans eh? Mona banya no. Oh, wena batho ba para madumane slippers. O khanto tlhage?
Madumani slipper.
That is too connection.
mara bottom line jo ngishitela
Wena why o nkra ke cheater o sang kopela? O etsa re kae permission o nkra ke cheater? O etsa re kae?
sorry
Wena why o ira di?
jo ngithi sorry mtshele jo
Angitshele eng? Ake kutsheliwa.
motse bra gore ke sorry sorry
Why unkraya kichit?
Wena why o ira di lo sang kopela?
ngashita he sorry
Akinyang.
sorry
Vamos dizer. Let's go more. Oh, daydreaming.
And action!
Hi, and welcome to Here We Eat, a show where we eat. Because here we eat.
Aye, bro.
Cut! Alright, yeah, sorry, that was a bit too much, eh?
Here we eat.
Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick snack using simple ingredients. Lettuce, tomato,
Because
cucumber,
here you eat.
chicken, and of course, Parmalat cheese. Why did the cheese blush? Because it saw the salad dressing.
Okay, cut! Yeah,
That's a
that's,
good
yeah.
one. That's a good one.
Sorry about that. Okay.
Why is bread the foundation? Because without foundation, you can't be a breadwinner.
Okay, that's a good one.
Okay, you know what? Okay, stop reading. Okay, next take, you just do you. Don't read the teleprompter.
So can I?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's hear.
And there you have it. Quick snack, simple ingredients. And in case you're wondering why I use chicken, I'm not the type to beef, because my hunger's at stake. And I must say, with Parmalat, it's better.
Okay, no, that was a good one.
Hey,
like
this
you
guy's
said steak.
amazing, man. Why did we even have him read the stuff, man? He chicken, beef, then steak this thing.
Yeah, you're using AI.
I love you.
Hey, they say when
I
you're
said I
side
love
chick.
you.
Soyaqala futhi ne.
What?
No, soyaqala futhi. I have a
Tell
girlfriend. I have a girlfriend. Love me yani.
Yes.
Hayi.
2 times the love.
Wena, unginyanyisa.
socala lento futhi uzongibhora.
Okay. Sure, Chief.
Ibarishi.
Jumara kanton hira mara vele mo.
Tako vote bradi va.
Shondo.
Gorfuti uri rina ni gorfunya na tere gorfuti.
Yeah.
Kiristore ni.
Ke ma motho a di botsa dilo tse bua.
Ndote ne mara potsa fela ko Zimbabwe. Ke tushon.
Bolela aring tushon bolela.
Are wena ri BM ri auri.
Bolela go di bolela.
Are wena ri auri ri BM ri wa ri hira ri koretse uri rina.
Bolela. Tshwareng bolela.
Vasari wa bareka bradi. Va ni pulitse ba go tushon re bya.
Oh, pila tushon to. Ha tlhapetso le botsa diphiri tsa.
Ke re ndote ne re potsa tsara ko Zimbabwe bro aka.
Aring.
Bradi are ri choreography ke tushon re bya. Bradi. Afeta tushondo are wena akutsukeri. Tushondo.
Beno wena ke go itse wena o itseng ha bolela lotsi. Wena o itseng. O itseng. We are.
I love.
Yeah, hey, love. Yeah, mina ngijikela lana.
Oh, okay.
The phone call. Bamba so.
Ooh, iyangibhejela.
Uyazi ukuthi ishindaba kaningi unyenzela izinto yabo.
At least.
Thank you.
Shimara phela benzela sijikela ku Abdul asinikeze change uthatha R5 mina ngisale nge15 rand.
Serious?
Yeah, man indaba yabo khona izinto ekumele ngizenze futhi ngale mali.
Yeah, really ithathe. It's fine.
Uyangala. Thatha.
Shapu.
Love thatha.
Ithathe yo.
Okay.
Bona san. Akhana jole ngwana kwa ene. Mara mhete fela sa. Ejo di bonga rang kuku mo dikise pila ke motho. Bona san. Ya be feletse no.
Nzulutheni? Ufeletse.
Yazo lesa.
Why are you feeling?
Abafethu nami ngiphelele.
Yes,
Tipo ko montsho yang. Abafethu ke feletse.
ufeletse.
Kere ya.
Krema.
Agisi ke oring.
Ngaramchaba.
Hayi ngimchaba bona ngathi uyamchaba so.
Akumchabi.
Rephupha siza uzoluza mngena.
Yori.
Rock paper scissors. Yeah.
Ana nna nomtlela o hete ne. Ke tlo le mixa le lithu byana. Le lithu. Are mfutsa.
What's your funny?
Ya dai.
Temmele ngiyekude.
Hayi ngoba uhle. Lesama impilo.
Bakhiphi yo abutaw bhekwa thotha yo ene ngithwile ngithiwa ngibona especially Jumela wankwekima wala la mboni matsawa soft wena umungu wa matsowa pila wa yithi ne
Ene color jola 3 years.
color jola ne
Yeah, ene color jola yo. Mina ngawunsuni baby.
flopo dilipse dinal mungu wa tsowa ndona umungu wa tsowa
3 years.
Ba tlo bontsha ba ko hae ba tshefamba.
Awathwana jo abutawa ke mthabi nekupretenda
Umntana lo uyacontrola ntwana.
Hayi
Baba, umntwana lo yangibana yami. Umntana lo uzwa ngayo. Uthi 1, manyithi 1 uthi ya. Uyahlanya umntana lo wena uthi yena makathi 1 wena uthi ya. Lo mntana makathi 1 uthi 1. Makathi 7 uthi 7. Hayi sana. Mina umfazi da. Baba. Umfazi da. Umfazi da. Umfazi da. Manje ungangeneleli. Phela ngiyakutshela. Makakusala
umfazi da.
Uwe umfazi da.
Ubheke.
Uwe umfazi da. Uwe umfazi emona. Uwe umfazi da. Uyakulawula lo mntana. Lo mntana ukuphethe yi. Uyakulawula. Emona ngizokutshela lo mntana lo uyakulawula. Ungazocabanga mfazi wakhe. Ungazocabanga la.
Hey.
Using the middle finger.
Hey.
Uyakulawula. Makathi 1 uthi 1.
Ewe.
Aye baba. Ungazi umfana la.
Ngifatu. Angiza uzokubiza ngifatu. Angeke. Uzokubiza ngifatu mntwana. Angeke. Mina
Unona phezulu kusakhe.
Mntwana uzoya. ukhalelani manje nyengi manje ukhalelani manje yakhuluma ukhalelani ntwana
yomshaya
Eka. Ngathangizakali. Hey.
manje ukhalelani
Akukhali baba.
Mona manje ukhalelani nazi inyembezi ngiyazibona
Ijuzi.
nazi
Ijuzi baba. Angithi mina ngine technology. Manje la iveli ijuzi yaphuma.
technology
mntwana manje ukhalela ini ntwana lo mntwana lo ntwana ukuphethe yazi
Mina ngima mina nyama makangibuyi. Yo. Angibuyi. Makamela ngengiye kuyi.
Hey.
yo baba
Eka.
Mina ngi.
Ungangishiya wena. Ungangishiya na.
Yefseke mfefoni.
hayi lona
Lona sarapo. Competition etight mos.
Mona spanisa strategy sana wena sarapo.
Strategy sa mona. Lo sarapo lipila bana mona.
Sarapo ke lipila. Wena ufuna unginyatsisa wena solo bona kuyantsotse pila wena. Solo bona kaya wena. Ufuna unginyatsisa ungicovela ama customer ne. Mangivela so bade upila mfana.
yes tshela
And then wena utsa video. Kisa phone. Kisa phone wena. Mucho pete. Man kan ba yung paisa so jo.
Hello.
Ngithanga. Washap. Na ke sharp jo.
Binta.
Like na 6 years ukufuna ngo post grade.
Awu.
Na yangikhawada jo.
Awa iba kola kunyaka. Ajule mazulu.
Ajol namazulu ne. Mare sifayene jo. Yazi ngalendlela okushanga khona no Bruno Mars makangibona uvela khona uthanye amecha la. Cause mina nguBruno Nkomazi. You know why? Cause I actually bought you flowers.
Bruno Nkomazi.
Yamfeel. Wambe so.
Thank you for the flowers.
Manje wethu skip
Maraka,
manje.
wabona wile ram.
I will. As I thought that counts, Joe. So mine ngifuna ungicount yangishiya.
if I thought that count manje ngifuna ukuthi ungicount ure
Eksave bafethu. Ejolo mntwana lo yantshona. Yazi ngiyafika ta mntwana mfeel. Ke baby dintsanga. Ayo, Shakespeare. Ngisabona John Phil. Ajona ke stajo.
So umet.
John latella khala ndumela John Phil. Mina bangisatshela yena udajo now type ajo bila. Unyaka nna wanona. Maplomo atsa mfana mara pressing zanona. Kona ke nna mo.
liar. Hey, thanks for making it this far, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like, comment, and share. See you in the next upload.
Joe, this my nice done, Joe. Me love from my Joe.
Esilaliva start ejobona ngiphathele manje ejoba dangerous manje ngiyenzana yabona recruitment
No, it's I'm the most dangerous person out here. Say, trust me, I got this. See, I'm the most dangerous.
You're the most dangerous. The most wrong one.
No, like that.
That one.
Masa mfana you got this mfana you got this angela training akona boy and I'm trainer
And then when usama sangapisa wena ne hayi wena uzama kwangizina yey sangapisa wena ne sokuqala lishinda sisi babore hare
No, like the. Can please yo. Oh, there seems to be a slight misunderstanding.
Mara